Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll be highlighting some of the mistakes that you might make while using the crop tool. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. Over here, you can see I'm on a new project. The first mistake that you might make is not selecting the right tool. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Let's say you go to the sidebar over here and then you just select the crop tool. So if we select it, now by mistake you may select something like the magic wand tool. You can see this magic wand tool. So after you have selected your respective tool, which is the crop tool in this instance, see that it has that grey background around it. That's when you know that you are selecting that tool. Okay. The second mistake that you might make is not putting in the right dimensions. Let me show you an example. So over here you can see if I want to put the width as like something like 2000 by 150, yeah, it will be the small. Now by mistake you might put something like 150 by 2000. Now that is the exact opposite. You know, we put width and height over here. Now that is the exact opposite. So make sure after you put the value, which is 2000 by 150, and then proceed with your crop tool. So over here you can see I'll put 2000 by 150. The third and final mistake that you might make is not clicking on the tick mark icon. So now the tick mark icon is right over here. You can see tick over here. Now if you don't click on this, it will not apply. You can see this this crop we created, right? It's not being applied. You know why? It's simply because we haven't clicked on this tick mark icon over here. So make sure to click on that. So let's click on that. You can see now it has been applied. Our crop has been applied. You can see it's really small. You know why? Because we put 2000 by 150. So that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in my next lesson.